everyone, welcome to Dee's Cabbies, Dolls and Toys. Today I have this huge box here with me, and I believe that there are some cabbies in here. So, as always, when I get cabbie mail, I want to share them with you guys.
Dee's Cabbies, Dolls and Toys.
Okay, welcome back. This box is huge, so I don't even know how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to put it down beside me and just open it and then pull the stuff out. I think that's the best way to do it. So, let's see. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is... maybe not. Maybe that's not the way we're going to do it. Okay. Let me give this a shot. Really different the way that they package this. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, I think this is going to be an easy one actually, which is good. Yeah, it's exactly what I thought it was going to be. The only way that this is going to work is okay. You guys see this? Okay, ready? I'm going to take the first one out. Easier, that way you guys can really see. I did not think this through. This box is humongous, but it had to be because look at how big the box is. Okay. All right. You done? Okay. So, what we have here is, this is Benson Denver, and he is a Cabbage Patch Kids All-Stars. I love this kid so much. I got a really good deal on him and his brother. This is the back of the box. And he is a New York Yankees kid. He's a Yankees kid, which is awesome because I like the Yankees. Not that I'm super into baseball, but I do like the Yankees. Benson Denver, his birthday is November 1st. He is in a Yankees outfit. Look at him. He is just everything. He's so cute. So he's a ton kid. He's a number 11. That's his head mold. And he's a Calico kid. These kids are Calico kids. I want to say they came out in, he's part of the official Cabbage Patch Kids line. So I want to say 1986 for these guys. 1985, 1986. But look at the box. The box is amazing. They did a really good job in the artwork on these boxes. And look at all the Cabbage Patch Kids on the back playing baseball. And if you look right here, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but it says official licensee Major League Baseball. So they were an affiliation of the actual, baseball league, which is amazing. It's awesome. It says these kids are as American as baseball and apple pie. Each player wears an authentic Major League uniform and has a righty or lefty hand that can hold his Major League pennant. They come with a baseball card, birth certificate, and adoption papers. A special display stand is also available. And best of all, you don't have to wait until the World Series for the fun to start. Look for your favorite Major League teams. They're all MVPs. awesome. And look at even the inside of the box. Looks like a locker room. So cute. Okay, so we've got him. And there's one more. All right, Benson. I love his name too, Benson. Isn't that cute? So we got Benson. Let's see. His brother here. The boxes, they're not horrible, but they're not mint, you know. But, you know, they're not horrible. And kids like this, I like to keep in the boxes if I can, just because, yeah, and it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Yeah, that's not going to happen. At least not for right now. Here's his box. Okay, well, the good thing about this is that you do get to see one completely out of the box, right? So, here we have this guy. He's got a leaf or something on him. That's weird. So he is a number. What number are you? I'm usually pretty good with the head molds. I want to say he's a number 10. Yeah, I'm usually really good with the head molds. I think he's a number 10. I can't really see. I can't really see in this lighting. Yeah. I'm pretty sure he's a number 10. That's what it looks like. The letters are so small. But he's very cute. And he's definitely not brand new. These guys were, you know, sold as new, but they're not. He has a little mark right there on him. But I can get that off. And look at how cute his outfit. So he is an Angels All-Star. That's the team that he supports. Very cute. Look at his sneaker. I love his sneakers. You don't see these Cabbie sneakers very often with the dark, like the navy blue. You don't see that very often. So I'm very happy about that. I wouldn't say, oh, sorry, guy. Sorry, buddy. I wouldn't say rare, but yeah, definitely different. So that's his outfit completely, and he comes with a hat. He's got his little hat here. Oh, that's cute. Oh, yeah. That's too cute. Oh, yes, it's cute. Oh, yeah, he looks so cute. Okay, and then he has, look at, he's got a little mitt. He's got a little mitt, a little baseball. Oh, I love it. And here's his pennant. He's got his pennant. Supposedly he can hold a pen. Oh yeah, he can hold a pen. Oh, cool. Very cool. California Angels. Alright, the one thing, oh, alright, let me see if we can stay on here. So the one thing that you don't know is his name. So I'm going to check that out right now. Box. Oh. Uh-oh. You know what? It doesn't look like he has one. It doesn't look like he has a birth certificate, you guys. Aw. Oh, wait a minute. Here. Is it one? No, this little guy does not have a birth certificate. Unless it fell somewhere and I'm not seeing it because he fell. He definitely fell. But no, nope. He doesn't have a birth certificate, but that's okay. He's got a lot of other stuff, and I can just give him. I can give him. So, I got you looking crazy there, guys. Sorry about that. There you go. Okay. So we've got this guy, and then we've got Benson Denver over here. And this, yeah, this concludes our Cabbie mail for the day. But I was pretty excited about it. I think I'm going to keep him out of the box. There's no sense of putting him back in. I'm going to clean him up a little bit too. But Benson, I don't know what I'm going to do with him yet, because he looks pretty complete in there. And I do love that he's a Yankees kid, and his box is pretty good. It's not horrible. So, and I do have another one of these guys already in my collection, so pretty excited. I got a, oh my goodness, fabulous deal on these guys. I really did. It was basically like a 2-for-1, and the shipping wasn't even bad, and you could see, you know, how big the box was. So I think this was definitely a good Cabbie meal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.